If you run polls on your WordPress site but don't want visitors to peek at the results before you're ready, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a super simple, beginner-friendly guide on how to hide poll results in WordPress using CrowdSignal. No coding, no complexity, just a clean step-by-step setup. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your WordPress site. Open your browser, head to your WordPress URL, and click the login button in the top right corner. If you prefer, you can just hit continue with Google and choose the account linked to your site. Once you're in, you'll land right on your dashboard. Now we're going straight to where the poll settings live. Look at your left-hand menu and select feedback, then click CrowdSignal. This is the central place where all your poll management options are stored, and it's where you can control how your polls behave on the front end. Once CrowdSignal opens, look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile name or avatar. Click it to open a drop-down menu and choose Settings. This is where the real magic happens. A lot of users miss this area, but it's actually where CrowdSignal stores all global display rules for your polls. Inside the settings page, scroll until you find Results Display. By default, CrowdSignal usually shows poll results to anyone who participates, but if you want to keep results private until a later time, this is exactly where you change that. Simply switch the option from Show to Hide. With this setting enabled, visitors can still vote normally, but they won't see any result breakdowns right after submitting. Before you exit the page, make sure you click Save Options. This confirms the new display rule and applies it instantly across your polls. Once saved, your poll results are officially hidden from all participants, giving you full control over when and how to reveal your data. And that's it. Your poll results are now fully hidden in WordPress using CrowdSignal. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.